My vending machine business sells over 20,000 items every single month, and for the last 3 years, all of that product was stored in this warehouse. But fun fact, my company has actually doubled in the last 6 months, so because of that, we recently moved into a new warehouse that you guys are about to see. So come on in and check out the warehouse of the #1 vending machine company in Dallas, Fort Worth. So this is it. This is the brand new Vending Bites warehouse, and I'm so excited to finally be in a better spot. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is walk you guys through section by section, and then at the very end, I'll give you guys like a full overview of the entire thing. So first things first, when you first walk in on the left side, you guys can see we have an entire wall of shelves. They actually came with the building. At first, we were gonna take them off, but as I can see, I have a pretty good use of them.
It adds more color.
So,
I want to try one of these though.
Yeah, so let me actually show you guys a couple of these very rare and collectible items. Up here we have cereals. I've shown you guys this one before. It's literally an entire, it's a single giant Fruit Loop. I don't think we can even fit that into a bowl. Down here we have the Jarritos. We are Mexican, but this is actually a collab with Kiev. You guys have seen the Oreo wine, and of course, this is probably the rarest item that I have. This is Lay's vodka. Like, it's actually made with Lay's potato chips, and this is bottle 482 out of 1,300. Man, should we try it for the video?
No.
I'll let you guys smell it. Smell that.
I can still smell it, like the after smell.
It's a drop on my finger. Of course, we got the 100K play button. Time for the million, to be honest, hopefully soon. And moving on, the rest of the shelves, we have no idea what to use them for. You know, either vending machine parts, soap for our soap vending machine that we have at the laundromat. I know some of you guys have been wanting an update on that location, so hopefully we'll do that soon as well. So yeah, that's the left wall whenever you guys first walk in. On the right side, you guys are gonna see all of these shelves for the snacks. Now, I'm not gonna go through every single snack. If you guys want to see that for some reason, comment down below and I'll show you guys in another video. But just to go through a few, you know, we just picked up Cinnabon cookies. So that sounds good. We're gonna see how it does in some of the machines.
You gotta explain the layout.
Yeah, so this is what I'm mostly excited about. So we kind of categorize everything. For example, here we have protein bars. Here we have like the cookies / crackers. Let me know if you guys like the strawberry or the pineapple barritas. If you've never tried these, I feel bad for you. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the first aisle. Let's move on to the second aisle, which is crazy even saying aisles, because if you guys remember, we just had everything thrown against the wall. So this is way more organized. Over here, we have candy, which barely any candy. You know, people don't really, do you guys still buy candy? Let me know down below, because we don't really sell much candy. I mean, we have Skittles, Sour Patches, Airheads, and that's it. Who the hell was mad when they opened this up? Look at this, it's the biggest hole. So yeah, we also just cut holes into the boxes. That way we can kind of just pull
or in
chips
this
out.
case, punch it.
Yeah, like for real. Like, no, like what actually happened here?
No, look at this one. It looks like somebody chewed through it.
We use like a pocket knife and just cut through it. So it's not like as accurate. Look at this one, like some tiny ones. We don't need a punching bag. We just need chip boxes.
Could have just like trimmed it better. Like
it's because since we stabbed the knife into the box, obviously we don't want to cut the chips. So
I think we need a demonstration. Look, this one's nice and clean. Show them how you would do it.
Right.
Go
Okay,
get your navaja. It's over there in the mug. Show off your mug.
Oh yeah, we got a mug. This is actually the first merch that we ever released. It's me. And we only sold one mug back then, and it's this one. I was trying to test out the website. You didn't even buy one, so I don't know why you're laughing over there.
I wasn't getting paid back then. Oh, look at you trying to be all careful now. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
There it is. No bags were harmed in the making of this video.
Cut the flap off.
And that's how it happens. Don't laugh at me no more. Actually, let me keep this on me, just in case. Moving on, we have all of the drinks. We have so many pallets of drinks. We got soda, we got energy drinks. you guys name it, we have it all. I'm not gonna go through all the drinks, but I will show you guys some of the popular drinks that we sell. So number one, of course, it is gonna be Dr. Pepper. That's our number one best-selling item. We are in Texas, it makes sense. So we actually, usually we're supposed to have an entire pallet of just Dr. Pepper.
Well, technically we do. They're just different kinds.
Yeah, same thing with Coke actually. You guys can see we have a ton of Coke. Up next is gonna be the energy drinks. We have how many pallets of energy drinks? Like 4. We have Monster, we have flavored Monster, we have Red Bull, flavored Red Bull, C4, Celsius. So many energy drinks. Like people drink it like it's water over here. So this pallet right here is basically our new item pallet. Whenever we want to try out a new product, this is where we put it. Everything else that's in every other pallet has to be stocked at all times because we sell it all the time. So, you know, for example, we have some Essentia water, which I don't think we're gonna keep selling because I have to sell this for $4. Why is water so expensive? Everything else here is flavored water, and the reason why we're trying out different waters is because it is summer, it's Texas, it's hot, so we want to just give out, you know, different options because we sell a lot of regular water. That's the hard part about selling water bottles, is that water drinkers are picky about their water, and I know because I'm one of them. So that's why we carry so many of them. You know, if you're picky and you're healthy, maybe Mountain Valley, the one over here, would be for you. If you don't care and you just want water to stay hydrated and survive, you know, maybe some cheap Sam's water would be fine. Or if you want a 9.5 pH level or higher, you have Essentia. I don't know. Anyways, moving on from all of the drinks, what do we have next?
My corner. I finally got my own desk, my laptop to watch my Netflix.
She's been complaining for the last 3 years at the other warehouse because she didn't have her own office or desk. So now she's so excited. What else? You have your laptop.
I don't really have much. I'm still like trying to build it out. Pictures of when we graduated. Why do I have a zebra cake box here?
You guys know the drill. This is where we keep the money. We do deposit all of the cash at the end of every day. So don't think that if you break in here, there's gonna be cash. You're gonna be breaking in here for a bottle of water that has 9.5 pH level, or maybe a Dr. Pepper, but there's not gonna be any cash here. I guess since we kind of went into a zigzag and moved on over here, I'll show you guys the other end of the warehouse. So over here is basically where we're gonna be storing all of the vending machines, and it's not a big space for that, but at the same time, I'm not trying to keep so many vending machines in storage here because 1, we don't really have the space. 2, I'm losing money if I just have equipment sitting here. So some of these I've taken out of location recently because they've just been broken. This one you guys will see in a future video on why I took it out. This one I bought it because it was broken and the guy didn't know how to fix it. I bought this like 2 years ago and I still don't know how to fix it. And this one also broken. So of course I'm trying to fix the machines to hopefully be able to put out on location and start making money. You guys need to pay some rent. Nobody lives for free.
Our door.
Actually, yeah, the door. So I love this roll-up door that we have in this warehouse. The only thing is that it's basically here for decoration. And what I mean by that is that we can't open it because, oh, I forgot to mention, we have AC here. This entire warehouse is air conditioned. So, you know, the other place wasn't, so we have AC, it feels good. And that's why we can't open this door, because even if we open it for 30 seconds, all the cold air gets out and it takes like 2 days for this place to cool up.
That's not true.
Okay, half a day. I mean, I am still forced to open it 1 day out of the week whenever we get the product delivered, but that's about it. Every other day, we kind of just keep it closed.
No one's out there.
Okay, so moving on, just so you guys don't get confused so far, again, we have the front door over there, we have the snack shelves, and then the vending machines were over there with, of course, the drinks right behind me. So now let's move on to one of my other favorite sections of this entire warehouse, and that's gonna be my coffee bar. So fun fact, over the last 12 months, I've come to realize I have a pretty huge passion for coffee. So this is something that we do every single morning before we go and fill up vending machines, sometimes even 2 cups. I plan to do something with this one day in the future, hopefully, pray to God. And yeah, it's something that I enjoy doing.
Are you gonna make us a coffee or are we just gonna stare at it?
Is it time for coffee?
No.
It's never not a time for coffee. It's 3:46. We'll show them the menu.
Let's see, what do we want?
We have mocha or a cinnamon honey latte.
I think I just want the side of love.
This is a workplace, ma'am.
Sometimes I'm confused every time you wear gloves because I don't even know what you're doing with them. You drive with gloves, you eat with gloves.
I wear gloves probably 70% of the entire day. It just makes you look cool. There it is. Obviously, I'm not a professional. I literally just got this machine a few months ago, but it looks good. I'm not gonna lie. Now this is a coffee. None of that venti, iced, caramel, Oreo cookie, crumble, whatever. This is good. Anyways, let's continue the tour. So in this corner, we have all of our Yeti coolers. And I wanna emphasize Yeti because we've tried out some of these cheap ones down here. No offense to Coleman, but Yeti is on top. And the reason why we use coolers is because we do transport a lot of chocolate, a lot of ice cream for our frozen vending machines, and even fresh food. Moving on from the cooler corner, we have the kitchen. We do have a sink, and of course, this is where we have all of our coolers, freezers for the ice packs, the food, the ice cream. There's even plug-ins for like a washer and dryer, so dead ass, we could live here. Next to the kitchen, we have the walk-in cooler. Come on in. The reason why I say walk-in cooler is because this is the coldest part of the entire warehouse. Like, yes, the entire warehouse is air conditioned, but this right here is air conditioned. Sometimes when we want to take a break, we literally come into the restroom. We could literally make this like the restroom / living room area.
We're not doing that.
You don't support my dreams. And that's pretty much it for the kitchen. To be honest, I kind of don't like the setup that we have now. I want to maybe get like a big freezer or a big fridge. That way we don't have like 10 freezers here. So moving on, we have one final section of this entire warehouse, and that's going to be the 2 offices. So I'm not going to be showing this one because it's top secret. I'm gonna keep it a mystery. Maybe one day I'll show what's inside. It's not just a lame storage place. There's actually something crazy in there, but I'm not gonna show it. Maybe one day. The other one, of course, is my office. It's empty, so the sound in here might be pretty bad. But yeah, I wanna paint the walls black. I wanna use this corner as like my filming setup whenever I make like sit down videos. I want you guys to rate the drip 1 out of 10. And be honest, I was wearing a shirt that didn't fit. I was wearing pants that didn't fit. I was wearing a fake, I forgot what that brand was, belt. Needed a haircut.
Do I look good? Because I'm wearing the exact same clothes as you are.
But it looks better on you. Why did you like me in high school? Literally makes no sense. And that's the entire warehouse. Now, something I don't understand, and hopefully I didn't get scammed, is that this warehouse is technically, on paper, bigger than the last warehouse, but it doesn't look bigger. It doesn't feel bigger, and also it's double the price as the last warehouse. I mean, it is nicer. We have AC, so that's cool. You're not counting that square footage, right? Of like the roof of the office. Is that a dumb question?
You think we could put stuff up there?
Because it's supposed to be like 500 square feet bigger.
What are you doing?
Why do we have the world's smallest ladder? This literally did nothing. I'm already 6'5".
Boy.
I've never seen up there, so you guys are about to find out at the same time as me. I am scared. Wait, please hold it, okay? Please.
Be careful.
Whoa. There's literally a whole bunch of nothing up here.
I think we could build like stairs up there, and that could be my office.
You think the roof would hold it? If we put like... Guys, if we're asking dumb questions, we literally just know about selling snacks. Okay, we don't know about construction, so... Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And one last thing, if you guys would like to see more, sit down, serious type of videos, for example, me breaking down my business expenses and showing you guys how much it actually makes, or maybe making an entire video on how to actually start a vending business, then please go down below and drop a like, and that'll let me know that you guys want to see videos like that. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.